Flour is raw. Please cook fully before enjoying. Well, I wonder if anyone will really eat raw flour. But it doesn't matter. Now go check your pantry, your fridge. If you have flour, water, sesame oil, and scallion. Guess what? Let's make scallion pancake. Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking Beautifully. What are you cooking today? Today I have Chef Yan here. Hi Yan.
Hi everyone.
So Yan, what's your favorite breakfast treat?
Scallion pancake, of course.
Oh, that sounds great. Let's make scallion pancake. To make the scallion pancake dough, the first thing you want to do is get 2 cups of flour in a stainless steel bowl, and then, very important, get hot boiling water. Just pour this to the flour, and because the water is very hot, you want to make sure you have a chopstick. And what you want to do is just to stir. Now, kind of try to bring them together. This is very similar when we make the dumpling dough. If you like to learn how to make dumpling, don't forget to check out our kimchi dumpling episode. That was really fun. So as you can see, the dough almost come together, and now the water is not that hot anymore. This is the time that we'll see how your muscle work. You just have to do it like you mean it. You know, really try to bring flour and water all together. And always have some bench flour on your station, just in case if your dough gets a little bit wet, you know, don't worry about it. Just add a little more flour and see how it goes. Right, like now, my dough come out so well together. Oh, hey, I'm just gonna knead this on my countertop, and then going to shake the dough like this. Ta-da! Here's my scallion pancake dough. I am going to let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes, and then we will make our scallion pancake.
So after 20 minutes, the dough is ready. This recipe can actually make 2 scallion pancakes. So we're gonna cut it to half. Okay, and we are going to start with a round disc. Because if you start with a square, it's very hard to make it round. So we'll start with round, and we'll end up with a rolled out large disc shape. So look how easy it is to roll it out with a Chinese rolling pin. And if the dough actually sticks like to the pin or to the table, you can always dust little flour on top and on the pin and roll it out. So you can roll it very thin, and it'll create a lot of layers. But for this dough, I'm actually comfortable with this size. So now that the dough is ready and rolled out, we're gonna brush some sesame oil first, and it'll help the salt to stick to the dough. So salt is a flavor enhancer, so we just need lightly sprinkle some salt, because later on we'll have some dipping sauce for this, so you don't have to make it very salty, but the salt is a must-have inside the scallion pancake, just for the flavoring. Also, we're putting some scallions, and if you really like it, put more, or put whatever the amount. We'll roll it up from here. See, each time I roll, it creates a layer, and after several times, it's gonna be multiple layers, and we wanna put the two end in the bottom so you don't see it. So we tuck it in here and tuck it here, and make sure again this is a round shape so that so you can have a round finished product. So, and then dust some flour on top so it won't stick, and roll it out this way and turn it, roll it out this way, and again roll it out. And at this point you don't usually flip it over and roll, so at this time you only roll it with this side face up, because your tucked in end is in the bottom, and that's not you know, pretty side, so you want to hide that in the bottom. And okay, yeah, this is it.
Wow, look at those scallion pancakes. They look amazing. Let's pan-sear them.
All right.
So, you know, if you have non-stick pan, it will be better to use a non-stick pan. If you know, just have stainless steel pan, you can still make your scallion pancake. Don't give up just because you don't have a non-stick pan. All you have to do is you do need to pour enough oil, and make sure the oil just evenly coat your entire pan. That's the key, right? And we want to wait until the oil is hot. Then we're going to put our scallion pancake in the pan. One thing very important is, yes, the oil is hot, but don't be afraid and try to drop it from, you know, from high, because the oil will splash and, you know, it's going to be chaotic. Just, you know, take it and gently put it over there. Then you should be fine, okay? Ooh, now the button is getting, let me see. It's nice and crispy. It's time to turn it. Whoa, look at this. Oh, nice. And then we're going to cover it with a lid. Let it cook a little bit longer. Wow, the scallion pancake is ready. I can't wait to taste it. Hey Yan, the scallion pancakes are done. I also make some dipping sauce. This dipping sauce is very easy to make. It's basically some soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sugar. If you want the recipe, you can go to my website. Now it's time to taste the scallion pancake.
Okay.
Cheers.
Okay.
Mmm. Nice and crispy. Now say, look at the layers. Wow. Mmm. This is really delicious. Wow. If you have flowers at home, scallion, sesame oil, make this scallion pancake. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for choosing Cooking Beautifully, where memories are made.